You can never have too much power poured. Dee-dee-dee-dee, dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee, dee-dee. Such a professional production. Up we go. Now that gives it a much better structure. So that is basically going to keep it off me. Pull up a little bit higher actually. There we go. Yeah, that's better. It's just that I had it one night where I woke up and the tarp had, because of the wind, had basically like flopped on me. It felt a bit claustrophobic, but that'll keep it a nice like roof type structure on me. Yeah, that's better. I can always hoist up the other end a bit higher as well. Okay, the final configuration. Got a nice bit of gap, so it's not going to squish me in the night. Yeah, I like that. It does look weird with the old hammock underneath, ripped open, but it makes a big difference. That gives me 2 extra layers. So yeah, that's better. Atomic it in there, pull it down a bit. God, that flapping is irritating.